Assalamualaikum. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today I will give you a walk around and show you some interesting features of the MAN bus. As you can see, this is the steering wheel of the bus. It shows you all kinds of information about the bus. The whole system is automatic electronic system. This is the electronic handbrake, and these are the electronic gear: neutral, reverse, and drive. As you can see, these are for the TVs. This VOD is for the screens. As you can see, the MAN bus also has screens over here for entertainment of the passengers. As you can see, this is the meter, shows all kinds of information from this is the petrol, this is the temperature of the engine, this is the pressure of the brakes. As you can see over here, this is for the this is the entirety system of the bus. As you can see, it is rare to only MAN buses. As you can see, this is the cruise system of the bus, and this is for the manual gear. These are the AC controls. These are for the shades. These are the shade controls. As you can see, these are the hazard lights of the bus. This is for the automatic braking system, and this is for the automatic suspension. As you can see over here, it has airmatic suspension. Now the bus is going to lower itself. Now it will go to its optimal height. It will balance itself, and now with this button it will go up again. And now it will lower and balance itself again. This is the microphone amplifier of the bus. As you can see over here, this is the emergency light, the emergency controls. These are the AC controls of the bus. Let's show you around the bus. As you can see, it has a beautiful wooden floor. It has beautiful ambient lights, comfy seats, good leg spacing. As you can see, the bus is overall it has a comfy look. It has a comfy feel to it. It has screens on every seat. As you can see, it also has space for the cups and tables. As you can see, so keep me in your prayers. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.